Hi everyone, I'm Sohani Mandamsa. On behalf of Global TV and Dimensions, I have the wonderful Dr. Nati Lopez with me, and we are going to have a wonderful tete-a-tete. So, are we ready for it, Dr. Liz?
Yes.
So, Dr. Nati, tell our lovely viewers what you do.
I'm Dr. Nati, Director of Nirmala Institute, Sakya Women's Guidance Cell. We at Sakya, we are NGO, and at 1987, College of Social Work got the request from the government to start something for women who suffer violence, especially domestic violence and dowry relations. And that's how we have started counseling centers in public hospitals like Civil Hospital, Thane, and we have in now in VVMC, Vasai Virar Municipal Hospital also, because municipal hospital they have counselors for their family planning and all, but not for the women who suffer violence. And especially the emergencies where people come, they don't go to counselors as such, but because what are the emergencies, and that's how we come to know there is a problem, and we try to help survivors. Now government has come out with the Domestic Violence Act 2005, under which through the protection officer we can help women to come back to the normal place.
So today there are a lot of helplines also, right, Tinta, which are available. So how do you think? Do you think that's really helped the women supporting them?
Yes,
Because there are so many of them, as you said, that they are facing violence in their own home, right? And they don't know who to reach out to. So, do you think this is really helping them?
yes, there are helplines, and at times, especially when families, husband and wife, make domestic violence happen, children are the ones who are affected.
The
So
most,
they know if this is the dial number,
Yeah.
it is something like and especially the violence happen in the night
Yes.
when nobody is around. Correct. So that time it is a good thing
Right.
to help them, but it cannot stop over there.
Ah.
And that is what, as I earlier mentioned, that domestic, like no, we have a lot of session conducted for in school and colleges, especially nowadays cases come through college students.
Right.
So we have, and of course through the HOSH training we have in the corporates and other institutions, we try to give this kind of information.
Right.
Dissemination of information is very important.
Very important. I think the awareness is extremely important, doctor, right?
Yes.
And it's important in every strata.
Yes,
It's not
yes.
only one particular. Right?
Yes, in fact, what I say is
Yeah.
at the community level, we have training for trainers.
Right.
So, like, look, community women, because our NGO office by 5 o'clock, 5:30, it will close.
Right.
And this kind of incidents happen late night.
Right.
So, empowering women from the area is very important
Right.
to give them knowledge where to go, how to go. So strategically, we need to plan it. And in our TOT training, where we have around 78 models,
Right.
where we give them a different kind of information. Firstly, formation of leadership,
Right.
and then going on to like relationships, and then what are this act talking about?
Right.
Where to go?
Right.
Who is the protection officer?
Right.
Where is the legal aid? And this kind of, so like from the court to the protection officer to the panchayat samiti, this kind of different offices, we give them orientation, and of course police all,
Right.
because though now because of the Domestic Violence Act, police do not have much role to play,
Right.
but it is always for the safety sake. Correct. Women can go there, so that is why they should not have some kind of a barrier, fear, earlier, like no. So that is why we have exposure visit to these places, so that they can get the benefit.
This is absolute wonderful initiative, which I think you started way back in 1987, right?
Yes.
And,
And now, what we do is, because this is something curative.
Yeah,
Once women is facing violence, we are doing. But now we are in prevention also.
prevention. Yeah.
And how we see the impact.
Yeah.
So like no, in the rural areas now in Palghar district or in Thane, we have community approach
Right.
where the more awareness we give, women are more cautious, and same time they have their issues like livelihood. So we cannot say them entrepreneurs, but they are within whatever locality they are.
Right.
So we try to give them kind of a livelihood which help them to sustain economically,
Yeah.
because that is one of the thing
Right.
where we say so. We have livelihood projects like fishery program. We have kitchen garden,
Right.
tree plantation,
Right.
which is more long lasting. And not only that, but we try to give them training. So like how to do this cultivation, where they are, what kind of thing. And this is all we do in participation with. So I would like to say like CSR initiatives like the Slice or CSR initiatives like Food Signal, they have supported us in this initiative of livelihood.
That's wonderful, Dr. Nati, and I hope you get all the help and support that you require, because you're doing such a wonderful work, and you're helping so many women who are helpless. So I think that's very important. My last question to you is going to be: how was your experience today coming for this wonderful Dimension Women's and Edit? How did you enjoy it? Rather, how much did you enjoy?
It is like one of the milestone in my life.
Yeah.
I just lost my mother last year, but when I received this award, I remembered her because she is the one who always told me that you go beyond, like no, not and I today it is lifetime achievement award. So that has really given me. I want to thank the organizer, and especially like no, Karen has seen my.
Yes.
So, and she kept in touch with me, and she said, Tati, why you are the one who have to apply for this.
Yes.
And that's so I thank the team and to organize this program today. And I pray that they may have more the success. What initiative they are taking, it is like a contribution to like people like me and many other women who will really look forward in life to do their best. So thank you and all the best for the Dimension.
A big thank you, Dr. Nati Lopez. And this is Dr. Nati Lopez, who received the Lifetime Achievement Award from Dimensions. This is Suhani Mendonca signing off. Thank you.